Gray is one of the hottest colors for interior paint. Here's why. Dear friends, are you in the mood for interior house painting? When it comes to interior painting, gray has been the most popular color for many years. It is a neutral color and has certainly caught on. It is sophisticated and easy on the eyes. The best thing about most shades of gray is they have a chameleon effect. They tend to change appearance with different lighting. A versatile color. You already know gray adapts to the lighting in the room. Another reason for its versatility is it coordinates well with many hues, which is why it is adaptable with many color schemes and decors. You may also choose to pair it with another color. Neutral colors, such as white, off-white, black, beige, and blue, can help produce a relaxing color scheme. Due to this relaxing nature, such combinations are typically used in bedrooms and living rooms. Gray also blends in well with other adventurous colors, such as pink, purple, and dark shades of blue. These combinations work well in any room. The many shades of gray does not serve as one color alone. It has many different shades, from powerful shades of gunmetal, charcoal, and slate to softer, more delicate shades of sliver. In each of these shades, white or black is present, along with traces of other colors. These traces are what provide clues to what works best in combination with gray. Some grays contain warmer components, such as red, brown, and yellow, and seem a bit cozier. These shades of gray work well with warmer colors. In the same way, grays that contain blue or green have a cooler vibe and tend to work well with colors on the cooler side of the spectrum. It doesn't matter what you choose, warm or cool, gray is here to stay. It is a color that has been around for a long time and continues to grow in popularity. The fact you can pair it with so many other colors and use it in so many ways makes it difficult to not use gray. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.